perfect example of the power of rethinking is right here in Zermatt in Switzerland. It is remarkably quiet here in Zermatt, and that is because they banned all motorized traditional vehicles. It's electric cars only, a decision a lot of cities would benefit from, but have a hard time following through because it's hard to imagine how to do it. This is the problem with video also. An obstacle most companies experience when they get started with video is that they have to do video on top of everything else. It is not until we nail the what, as in what do we want to achieve, what is the end result, when we start seeing all the possibilities and opportunities. And while video has become a lot easier in the past 6 years, it still requires your dedicated attention and time. Rethink your communication, just like Zermatt has rethought the transport system and the logistics. Start with a white canvas. Imagine what if. And once you have figured out what it is that you actually want to do, then be bold and gutsy. Follow through. It's worth it. The result will be epic, fantastic, worth it.